Hello everyone, welcome to MS Gate Academy. Here is a recruitment update from CSIR. Yes, Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. When you will go here, you can see dear students, the detailed advertisement is here for this one. Advertisement for the post of scientist at CSIR headquarters in New Delhi. Online application already started from 14 January. Last date is 14 February. When we will click here, we can see the detailed advertisement. So let's check it out. What they are asking: career in science and technology. Okay, so designation is scientist. Total number of post 11. They mention here category wise division. You can see. Okay, level will be pay scale will be level 11. Total emoluments you will get as in 1,32,660 approximately, inclusive of basic pay, DA, HRA, TA, all that. And the upper age limit is 32 years. It's mentioned clearly ki upper age limit not exceeding 32 years. Okay, now let's see here. So description of post. The scientist post code 1 SC BTech in electrical electronics instrumentation engineering equivalent with postgraduate degree in intellectual property law, or ME Tech in electrical electronics instrumentation engineering, or PhD in this branches. Okay, this is the desirable, and this they mention here the job description as well. Next is for the scientist post code 2, total post 2, ME Tech in information technology, information and communication technology, computer science or equivalent, or PhD in science and engineering. These are the job profile. Okay. Then scientist post code 3, ME Tech in information technology, information and communication, and they you should have these desirable requirements, and this is the work profile. Okay, job profile. And the one more is there, scientist post code 4. So BTech in chemical engineering or MSc in chemical sciences or equivalent with the postgraduate degree in the intellectual property law, first class or 60% on an aggregate CGPA. Okay, and MEM Tech in chemical also eligible in that case. Then the next is scientist post code 5. Okay, this is again for the chemical engineering. MEM Tech is there, or BTech or PhD. So here overall not only BTech students eligible here, but BTech plus MEM Tech. Okay, or you, if you are having PhD degree, then only you are eligible here. So scientist post code 6, BTech in mechanical engineering, or this one with 60%. Okay, now here, okay, with MEM Tech, or this one is also mentioned here. They mentioned desirable things. Okay, so like this they mention for every scientist PhD is required here, MEM Tech required. They mention some general conditions. You can check it out, these conditions bacho, before applying it. This is a 22 pages of PDF. And when I will go for the next one, the general information they mention here. Okay, age limit is not more than 32, as I already told you. Yes, some age relaxation is there according to the government rule. You can check it out, these age relaxation rules. Okay, now this is important, mode of selection. So this is essential education qualification you should have first of all, and then on the basis of higher education qualification, what is this? This duly screening committee will adopt its own criteria for the shortlisting candidates to be called for the interview. So there is no written test. Okay, if you are having this qualification, whatever they are asking, then they will call you. You need to fill the form, then they will call you, they will shortlist you for directly for the interview. And then on the basis of higher education qualification, on the basis of desirable qualification and desirable experience, on the basis of patent failed, okay, the basis of quality, number of authorship you are having. So this is for the PhD students as well, for the MEM Tech as well. Okay, and due weightage will be given to the candidates having experience in product development, technology, innovation. So that will be the advanced. Okay, advantage you guys are having. How to apply? They mention here. You need to fill the form. Okay, 500 rupees. The form filling already started from 14 January. Last date is 14 February. You can fill the form, and from where you can fill the form, you need to go to this website. They mention here the website rab.csir.res.in. Okay, and you can fill the form, and then you can just submit your details, and then you are eligible. Okay, and they will call you directly for the interview on the basis of your documents. So the last date is 14th 14th February is the last date. If you guys think yes, this is for you, you should directly apply there. Okay, go to this official website which I show you here. All right, stay connected to I Must Gate Academy YouTube channel for more such type of updates. Thank you.